All right, this video will demonstrate how to finish the exercise 2.7 in the book. Okay, let's go right to it. This 2.7 is for us to draw to make this simple block part. As you can see here, the origin is right here, and if I rotate that, you can see the origin is right in the middle of the bottom plane. Can you see that? Okay, once again, that is if you look at the different displane type, we're going to choose the hidden line remove, and I'm going to show that is isometric view. So this is essentially the object. Okay, and in order to make this part, first we need to decide the primary drawing plane. For this one, apparently the top plane is the better one, because if you choose this top plane, all you need to draw this profile, then you make one extrude downwards. Oh, actually you need to draw the one at the bottom extrude upwards, so you finish the whole object. Of course you can use the front view, but you need to draw this block, then you need to draw this block, and you need to draw two of them, make sure you are in the right place. Okay, so for this one particular one, the top plane is a better option. Okay, let's click new one, click apart. Okay, as we decided, we're going to start from top plane, make a sketch. Okay, because the origin must be in the middle of that line in the back, if you recall. So for us to do that, we're going to click line command, but before that I want to click the downward arrow. I want to choose this midpoint line, because this line will have a midpoint. We make sure the midpoint is on the origin. Click this one. Okay, click the origin, then go upwards. If you notice that when I go upwards, it also go downwards, because we choose midpoint line. Okay, make a second click, then go horizontal, make sure the horizontal yellow bar is there, then go downwards and go horizontal, go vertical again, go horizontal, go downward again. Okay, once again, at this point, make sure this horizontal line also shows. That means we draw this point right to the right, then click this point. So we finish our sketch. Of course, we do not have a dimension yet. Now it's time to add a dimension. Let me use the smart dimension. The dimension for this line is 3. And we also need a dimension for this one. It's 0.5. Okay. So what is the dimension for this one? We need a dimension for this one, right? And keep that in mind. This object must be symmetric. Okay. So the length of this one should be the same length of this one. So what I do is this one, click the use the smart dimension, click this line and put it over here. Okay, for this one I want to move this box a little bit upwards, so we are going to ask SolidWorks to do a calculation for us. So the length for this one should equal to the half of this length divided by minus this length. So that should equals to, I'm going to equation, once again equation, put a parenthesis, the dimension of this one, I'm going to click this dimension, make sure you click the dimension, then minus this number, click this dimension, put a parenthesis, then divide by 2. So therefore I want to make sure that would be symmetric, that is half of the difference. Hit enter. So that's the dimension for that one. Okay, do we need to input this dimension? No, because we know the total dimension, we know this dimension, we know this dimension. I think we're good. Okay, and click the green check. So we're good to go. Now we need to have a dimension. Use the smart dimension. I want to click this vertical line. We know the distance from here to this line. The total of that is 2.5. So we're gonna click smart dimension. Click this line, then click this line, then move downwards. Okay. So we decide the dimension for these two vertical lines. First click this dimension line, then click this vertical line, then click the second vertical line, then move downwards. For this one, the dimension is 2.5. Okay. Now we also need to know the dimension for this one. Dimension for this one is 0.75. If you notice that it says undefined, that means we need a dimension for this one, 0.75. Enter. Now it says status bar says fully defined, so we're good to go. We're going to click feature, use the extruded base. For this one, we need to extrude it upwards. We choose the blind. The height would be 1.75. 1.75. Okay, click the green check. So this is good. Once again, that is once you finish this, hit the F on your keyboard, bring it into the center, and if you rotate it, once again, hit your middle wheel and rotate it. If you notice that is with my origin, you did not show, so we're going to click view, go back to hide and show, and click origin. So it shows the origin right in the back. So we are in, we make sure we got this object correctly. So we have that showing up. The material for this one is copper. We're going to go to material, right click, edit material, go to copper alloy, and you should have a copper by itself. Click apply and click close. So this part is made of copper. Isometric view. So we finish this object. So we're going to save this file as exercise 2.7. Okay.